Hey, to screen record on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to open the quick settings. Now, when you have all of the tiles, you'll have to slide to the left side and the screen recorder will be available right here. When you tap on it once, you can set if you want to record a single application or entire screen. In my case, I'm going to use entire screen, and also you can select the audio recording, so you can record on your microphone, you can record internal sound of your device, or you can use both of them. And also you can show touches on the screen and click here to start recording. After the countdown, the record is on the way when you feel this vibration. So now you can do whatever you want, and if you want to stop this, open this quick settings, click on the stop just right here, and now we can quickly open it, and as you can see, that's how it looks. You can actually share this one, you can edit if you want, or simply delete. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.